Have you ever dreamed of experiencing the pinnacle of luxury in a place that redefines opulence? Welcome to Atlantis The Royal Dubai, the world's most ultra-luxury resort hotel. Today, we'll take you on an exclusive tour of this architectural marvel, showcasing its stunning features, lavish amenities, and unparalleled experiences. Stay with us until the end to discover why Atlantis The Royal Dubai is the ultimate destination for luxury travelers. Atlantis The Royal Dubai is more than just a hotel. It's a destination that offers an unparalleled blend of luxury, comfort, and adventure. Situated on the crescent of the Palm Jumeirah, this iconic resort stands as a testament to modern architecture and design. With its majestic structure and breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf, Atlantis The Royal Dubai sets a new standard in the world of luxury hospitality. The resort is part of the renowned Atlantis brand, which includes the legendary Atlantis The Palm, also located in Dubai. However, Atlantis The Royal takes luxury to a whole new level. It features 795 rooms, suites, and signature penthouses, each offering stunning views and world-class amenities. The design of the resort combines modern aesthetics with elements inspired by the lost city of Atlantis, creating a unique and enchanting atmosphere. The architecture of Atlantis. The Royal Dubai is nothing short of spectacular. Designed by the world-renowned architectural firm Kohn Pedersen Fox Associates, the resort boasts a striking facade that seamlessly blends modern design with classical elements. The building's structure consists of 6 towers connected by a 90-meter-long sky bridge, creating an iconic silhouette on the Dubai skyline. The sky bridge, known as the Royal Club, is a unique feature that sets Atlantis the Royal apart from other luxury resorts. It houses exclusive suites, a private infinity pool, and a sophisticated lounge area. Guests staying in the Royal Club have access to unparalleled views of the Arabian Gulf and the Dubai skyline, making it a truly unforgettable experience. The resort's exterior is adorned with lush gardens, cascading waterfalls, and reflective pools, creating a serene and picturesque environment. The use of advanced lighting technology further enhances the visual appeal of the resort, illuminating its grandeur during the night. The attention to detail in the design and construction of Atlantis The Royal is evident in every aspect, from the grand entrance to the intricate architectural features. Atlantis The Royal Dubai offers a wide range of luxurious accommodations to suit the preferences of every guest. Each room and suite is designed to provide the utmost comfort and elegance, featuring contemporary furnishings, state-of-the-art technology, and breathtaking views. The standard rooms at Atlantis The Royal are anything but ordinary. Each room is spacious and elegantly appointed, featuring plush bedding, marble bathrooms, and floor-to-ceiling windows that offer stunning views of the Arabian Gulf or the Dubai skyline. The rooms are equipped with the latest technology, including smart controls for lighting, temperature, and entertainment, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable stay. For those seeking an elevated experience, the suites at Atlantis The Royal offer even more luxury and sophistication. The suites range in size from 1 to 3 bedrooms and feature separate living and dining areas, private balconies, and luxurious amenities. The signature suites, such as the Sky Pool Villa and the Royal Suite, offer unparalleled opulence and exclusivity. The Sky Pool Villa features a private infinity pool, a spacious terrace, and direct access to the Royal Club, while the Royal Suite boasts a grand living area, a private library, and a dedicated butler service. The pinnacle of luxury at Atlantis The Royal is the collection of signature penthouses. These lavish accommodations are located on the upper floors of the resort and offer breathtaking panoramic views. Each penthouse features multiple bedrooms, expansive living spaces, private terraces, and exclusive amenities. The Royal Penthouse, the most luxurious accommodation at the resort, spans over 20,000 square feet and includes a private garden, a rooftop infinity pool, and a personal spa. Atlantis The Royal Dubai is a culinary paradise, offering an array of world-class dining options that cater to every palate. The resort is home to over 20 restaurants, bars, and lounges, each offering a unique and unforgettable dining experience. One of the highlights of the dining scene at Atlantis The Royal is Dinner by Heston Blumenthal. This Michelin-starred restaurant, led by the renowned chef Heston Blumenthal, offers a modern take on British cuisine. The menu features innovative dishes inspired by historical recipes, providing a unique and immersive dining experience. Another standout restaurant is Nobu by the Beach, a concept by the world-famous chef Nobu Matsuhisa. This beachfront restaurant offers a fusion of Japanese and Peruvian flavors, with a menu that includes signature dishes such as black cod miso and yellowtail jalapeno. The open-air setting and stunning views of the Arabian Gulf create a relaxed and elegant dining atmosphere. For those seeking a taste of Italy, the resort offers Filia, an authentic Italian restaurant that celebrates the traditions of Italian cuisine. The menu features a selection of handmade pastas, wood-fired pizzas, and fresh seafood, all prepared with the finest ingredients. The restaurant's warm and inviting atmosphere, combined with its delicious food, makes it a favorite among guests. Atlantis The Royal also offers a range of international dining options, including traditional Arabian cuisine at Ayamna, contemporary Asian dishes at Ling Ling, and modern French cuisine at La Mar by Gaston Acurio. Each restaurant is designed to provide a unique dining experience with carefully curated menus, exceptional service, and stunning settings. The resort's bars and lounges offer the perfect setting for enjoying a cocktail or a glass of fine wine. Cloud 22, located on the Sky Bridge, is a sophisticated lounge that offers panoramic views of the Dubai skyline and the Arabian Gulf. The bar features an extensive menu of handcrafted cocktails, premium spirits, and fine wines, making it the perfect spot for a nightcap. Atlantis. The Royal Dubai offers a wealth of experiences and activities that cater to guests of all ages. Whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, or entertainment, the resort has something for everyone. One of the standout features of the resort is its extensive water park, Aquaventure. This world-class water park offers a variety of thrilling water slides, lazy rivers, and wave pools, providing endless fun for the whole family. The park also features a dedicated children's area, complete with splash zones and mini slides, ensuring that younger guests have a memorable experience. For those seeking relaxation, the resort's spa and wellness center offer a range of treatments designed to rejuvenate the mind and body. The spa features private treatment rooms, a thermal suite, and a relaxation lounge, providing a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Guests can choose from a variety of treatments, including massages, facials, and body wraps, all performed by skilled therapists using premium products. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the resort's state-of-the-art fitness center, which is equipped with the latest exercise machines and free weights. The center also offers a range of fitness classes, including yoga, Pilates, and spinning, ensuring that guests can maintain their fitness routine during their stay. Atlantis. The Royal also offers a range of unique experiences that allow guests to explore the natural beauty and cultural heritage of Dubai. The resort's concierge team can arrange a variety of excursions, including desert safaris, helicopter tours, and guided tours of the city's landmarks. Guests can also enjoy water sports such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and paddleboarding in the crystal-clear waters of the Arabian Gulf. For those looking for entertainment, the resort offers a range of live performances and events throughout the year. From international music concerts to theatrical shows and cultural festivals, there is always something happening at Atlantis The Royal. The resort's state-of-the-art theater and event spaces provide the perfect setting for these world-class performances, ensuring that guests have a memorable experience. Atlantis. The Royal Dubai is not just a destination for relaxation and entertainment. It's also a shopper's paradise. The resort features an array of luxury boutiques and retail outlets, offering everything from high-end fashion and jewelry to unique souvenirs and gifts. One of the highlights of the shopping experience at Atlantis The Royal is the resort's exclusive collection of luxury brands. Guests can explore boutiques from renowned designers such as Chanel, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton, as well as specialty stores offering bespoke jewelry, watches, and accessories. The resort's retail offerings are carefully curated to ensure that guests have access to the finest products and the latest trends. In addition to luxury brands, the resort also offers a range of specialty stores that cater to various interests. From gourmet food and wine shops to art galleries and home decor stores, there is something for everyone at Atlantis The Royal. The resort's retail spaces are designed to provide a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience, with elegant interiors, attentive service, and a relaxed atmosphere. For those looking for unique and memorable gifts, the resort's souvenir shops offer a selection of exclusive items that capture the essence of Atlantis, the Royal, and Dubai. From handcrafted jewelry and local artwork to branded merchandise and collectibles, guests can find the perfect memento to remember their stay. Atlantis The Royal Dubai is committed to sustainability and environmental conservation. The resort has implemented a range of initiatives designed to reduce its environmental impact and promote sustainable practices. One of the key initiatives is the resort's focus on energy efficiency. Atlantis The Royal has invested in advanced energy management systems and technologies to reduce its energy consumption and carbon footprint. The resort's lighting, heating, and cooling systems are optimized for efficiency, ensuring that energy is used responsibly and sustainably. Water conservation is another important aspect of the resort's sustainability efforts. Atlantis The Royal has implemented a range of water-saving measures, including the use of low-flow fixtures, efficient irrigation systems, and advanced wastewater treatment technologies. These measures help to reduce water consumption and ensure that water resources are used responsibly. The resort is also committed to reducing waste and promoting recycling. Atlantis The Royal has implemented comprehensive waste management programs that focus on reducing, reusing, and recycling waste materials. The resort's restaurants and kitchens also prioritize sustainable sourcing and waste reduction, with initiatives such as composting and food donation programs. In addition to these efforts, Atlantis The Royal is dedicated to preserving the natural environment and supporting local conservation initiatives. The resort works closely with environmental organizations and participates in various conservation projects, including marine conservation and habitat restoration programs. These initiatives help to protect the natural beauty of Dubai and ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy its unique landscapes and ecosystems. Atlantis The Royal Dubai is more than just a resort. It's a destination that offers an unparalleled blend of luxury, comfort, and adventure. From its stunning architecture and lavish accommodations to its world-class dining and entertainment options, the resort sets a new standard for luxury hospitality. Whether you're looking for a relaxing getaway, an adventurous escape, or an unforgettable celebration, Atlantis The Royal Dubai has something for everyone. The resort's commitment to excellence, attention to detail, and dedication to sustainability make it the ultimate destination for luxury travelers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Your support is crucial for us to produce more content like this, and we're incredibly grateful. Also, be sure to watch our other videos about luxury living and travel experiences that we link here and in the video description. See you in the next one!